Welcome back. So the question says two identical ball bearings in contact with each other and resting on a frictionless table are hit on by another ball bearing of the same mass moving initially with speed v. If the collision is elastic, which of the following is possible result after collision? So there are three situations. Let us go through one by one. The initial kinetic energy of the system is given by half mv square minus half 2m into 0 equals half mv square. So the final kinetic energy is half into m into 0 minus half into 2m into v by 2 squared, which gives us 1 by 4 mv square. Thus the kinetic energy is not conserved in this case. In case of second, the final kinetic energy is given by half into 2m into 0 minus half mv squared, which gives us half mv squared. Thus, kinetic energy is conserved in this case. And in the last one, the final kinetic energy is half into 3m into v by 3 squared, which gives us half mv squared. Thus, the kinetic energy is not conserved in this case as well.